Hello everyone, welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, February the 8th, 2022. We have here in this daily newspaper one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And there is also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 9. We have one Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. Killer Sudoku and 2 binaries. Yes, those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 5 of them I will solve. And with the Sudoku Medium, it will be 6 puzzles for today. But first we will solve this medium Sudoku. By the way, yeah, the news of today, we won gold. Yes, gold. This woman has won the gold medal, the 1500 meters in Beijing. So gold for our country. All right. So this medium Sudoku will be number. Let me see which number it will be. 4093. Yes, 4093. This will be 4093. Let me mark this with 4093. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, the 26 printed digits is a 2 stars. And my time limit for a 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 ones, 4 twos. We have 4 twos. We have 4 threes. We have 2 fours, 1 5, 4 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the 2, the 3, and the 6 are in majority. Okay. Let me see if I can use the 2. Let me see. No, it's not wise to use the 2. How about the 6? The 6. Well, will be difficult. 6, yeah. 6, yeah. Let me start with the 6. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Still having troubles with my voice. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So third column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Yeah, 6, no 6 there, only excuse me. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in, can I count? Yes. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay. All right. Uh-huh. Let me see. Uh, 3. Hmm. Interesting. 2. Yeah. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We have another 2 there in the second row, so no 2 in this box. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Cannot continue with the 2. How about the 3 then? The 3. Well, in this column, we need a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see a 3 in this row, so no 3 in that box. Air 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We see another 3 there, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Alright. Then. 3. Let me look for another digit. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 8. An 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row. Last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. 3. Oh, yeah. Well. Let me see. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2. Okay, and then the 3. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 2. Okay. Then 7. Let me see. 1. 4. I'm thinking. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and a 5. Okay. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. Okay. 1. Yeah. No. This is a 3. Yeah. I'm thinking. 5. Yeah. Yeah. 5. 5 and 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, on the last column. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. Here 7 in the second row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in that box, that column. So no 7 in this box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Okay. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. Okay, 1 and 9. Thinking. We have 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Here we have also 2 pair, our pair. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. 1 and a 9. 3 and a 5. Okay. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Okay, 1 and a 4. 4 and a 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Is missing. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4, it goes there. So now we have here 1 and the 9 is missing in this row. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. And the final number in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Yes, finish in 60 minutes. Told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 60 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later in the evening, I will solve the other 5 puzzles in additional. So there's coming 5 puzzles. Okay, before I leave these numbers, I'm collecting those or analyzing those numbers, the center box of each big square. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. So who knows? We have here 548, 548, 254, 254, and 976, 976. So here we have 2 pairs, the 5 and the 4, 5 and the 4. All right, thank you for watching, and yeah, we will meet again later on in the evening. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. See you later. Bye bye for now.